So I just got my Roborock robot vacuum. This is the second edition. It came in that box, in a bigger box, like a shipping box, and then this is what's inside. So let's do a little unboxing. So I'm really impressed with the packaging because this is a Chinese manufacturer, but they now print everything in English. This little thing has the instruction booklet, which I just took out, and it's all in English, which is nice and handy. And then I downloaded the Xiaomi app as well, and they seem to have that in English right from the App Store. Okay, let's see. This is, like the underside where you put the water. And there it is. So I just took a quick read of the instruction, and I think this is like the charging pad to make sure it doesn't sit and charge on like dust. And I'm gonna go set this up and give it a go.